Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download AutoCAD for Mac, step by step, directly from the official Autodesk website. No cracks, no third-party sites, only 100% official and safe download from Autodesk. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search AutoCAD for Mac official download, or directly. Link in description. Always download AutoCAD only from the official Autodesk website to avoid fake installers and malware. Step 2. Sign in/create Autodesk account. To download, you may need to sign in to your Autodesk account. If you don't have one, click Create Account and register using your email. After signing in, the download button for AutoCAD for Mac will be available. Step 3. Choose Mac version and download. On the AutoCAD download page, select Mac as your operating system. You'll see options for the latest AutoCAD for Mac version and available trial options. Choose the correct version, example, AutoCAD 2025 for Mac, and click Download or Start Free Trial. The installer size is usually around 1 to 2 gigabytes depending on the version, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, the .dmg, or installer, file will be saved to your Downloads folder. That's it. You've successfully downloaded AutoCAD for Mac from the official Autodesk website. You can now run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.